Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry mushroom soup. First, let's rehydrate your dried mushrooms. Place about 1 ounce of dried mushrooms into a bowl. Pour 2 cups of warm water or broth over them and let them soak for 20 minutes until softened. Once rehydrated, gently squeeze out excess liquid and chop them if desired. Remember to save that flavorful soaking liquid for later. Now let's build the delicious base for your soup. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 1 cup of chopped onions and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until softened, about 5 minutes. Stir in 1/4 cup of flour to create a roux, cooking for 1 minute. Gradually whisk in 4 cups of broth until smooth. It's time to bring everything together. Add your rehydrated mushrooms to the pot. Carefully pour in the strained mushroom soaking liquid, avoiding any sediment at the bottom. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to deepen. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream or milk for a wonderfully creamy finish. Your dry mushroom soup is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. For a beautiful presentation and extra freshness, garnish each bowl with some chopped fresh parsley or chives. Serve your warm, comforting soup with a side of crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.